RCBC Flex Visa, okay ba siya? Worth it ba ang annual fee niya? Ano ang mga feature niya? Watch this video. Hi mga sisis, this is Trixie and for today's video, credit card review na naman tayo. Episode 6 na yan. Usapan natin ay ang RCBC Flex Visa Gold. So ito yung mga main features niya. Sinasabi dito na only installment program sila. Meron lang itong I think 100 pesos na processing fee pero only installment yan. Get 2 times rewards points on your preferred 3 categories. Categories na yun, pwede mong pagpilian yung grocery, gas, household appliances, department stores, and travel. Yung mga na-earn mong points ay pwede mong i-change to vouchers wherein you can redeem for cash, rebates, mo rin yan gawing air miles. Free travel insurance, pag ginamit mo yung card nila, meron kang access to pag-lounge, pero kailangan mo mag-pay ng 1,500 pesos pag ito yung card mo. Ito yung mga features sa app nila. Meron silang only installment, so pwede kang mag-change to installment sa app na mismo. Meron silang spend monitor, you can only pay. May spend analyzer din sila. Fast bills pay at may balance conversion. You can also get cash kasi you have the option to do cash loan. Let's talk about the annual fee. Itong card na ito ay may annual fee na 3,000 pesos per year pero yung first year mo ay mawi-waive. For the interest rate, like the other credit cards, meron silang monthly interest rate na 3%. If you want to apply, you can go to their website and then these are the qualifications, ilalagay ko na lang dito. And these are also the requirements, ilalagay ko na lang dito. What's my thoughts on this card? First of all, this is not a beginner-friendly credit card. Itong credit card na ito ay good for yung may mga credit card na before. If you love traveling, maganda itong card na ito dahil yun nga may mga free insurance, tapos may only installment ka pa kahit yung pag ginamit mo yung card sa ibang bansa at gusto mong i-installment yung mga na-purchase mo using that card, pwede mo siyang i-installment only din yan. This also has a PAGS lounge access in NAIA Terminal 3. Kung traveler ka at mahilig kang umalis-alis sa bansa, I would highly recommend this RCBC Flex Visa. Hindi ko muna siya mai-recommend sa mga bago pa lang sa credit card dahil first, may annual fee ito and yung qualification and requirements nito para na siya sa mga user ng credit card before. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like and follow for more.